So hey hello guys, welcome back into my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to repair a LED bulb in ₹1. So let's get started. First of all, you need a LED bulb which is old and is not working. So I will show you. It's not working, you can see it's blinking. So we will repair it. So first of all, you need to know that which one of the LED bulb is fused. So you can see by checking if any of the LED bulb have black spot, or by shorting the LED is positive and negative terminal together by. So I have seen that this one is having the black spot. So I will remove it clearly. You have to remove it clearly, guys. So I have removed it clearly. Now I will do the soldering over it. You can see this one. Remove it clearly, guys. Now I will do the soldering on it. So guys, you can see I will do the soldering over it. So guys, I have done the soldering. Now we will check whether it is working or not. I will fix the tape around it, guys. You can also use Elfie. So guys, now I will check. I have joined it in this, and you can see our LED bulb is working. So I hope you like this video. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.